How to fix TikTok dark mode option not showing. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your TikTok dark mode. So make sure that you have the latest version of your TikTok app. If not, then you have to go to your Play Store and on the search bar, you have to search for the TikTok. Once you have searched for the TikTok, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your app. Go for the open option and you have to open up your app here. And on the bottom there is your profile icon. You have to go for your profile. So on the top left, there is a three-line option. Go for that and go for the setting and privacy. So on the setting and privacy, you have to go for your display here. So here you can see that you can go for the dark mode and you can go for the light mode here. So with the help of this process, you can fix your dark mode option here. So with the help of this process, you can see the dark mode option. So if this option is not showing on your TikTok, then you can go for the long press on your TikTok app and go for the eye icon and scroll down, go for the clear data and clear cache and data from your TikTok. Also, you can uninstall this and reinstall this on your device. Also, you can go for your mobile setting here. Under your mobile setting, you have to go for your display and you have to set your display to your dark mode here. So after setting your display to your dark mode, then you can find your TikTok app. You can find your TikTok app has been set to the dark mode. With the help of this simple step, you can fix your TikTok dark mode option. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.